Success in chemistry depends on their ability to memorize, so you might find yourself reteaching topics again and again because your students are not retaining the information. With Living by Chemistry, your students will go beyond memorization. They'll gain a solid, lasting understanding of concepts, and they'll learn how to apply their knowledge to future topics.
All of the important chemistry standards are presented in 6 thematic units that capture students' interest and help them connect chemistry to their own lives. As a result, students gain a deeper, long-lasting understanding of the material. In Unit 1, Alchemy, you'll teach students atomic theory through a historical lens. In this unit, students study matter, elements and compounds, the periodic table, and chemical bonding. In Unit 2, Smells, you'll guide students through an investigation of the chemistry of smell, covering a wide range of topics about molecular structure and properties. In Unit 3, students learn how phase changes and the behavior of gases are related to the weather. While learning about toxins in Unit 4, students more easily make sense of stoichiometry, solution chemistry, and the properties of acids and bases. By studying the nature of fire in Unit 5, students learn about the connection between chemical and physical change and energy. And finally, in Unit 6, Showtime, you'll help students learn about reversible reactions and equilibrium as they prepare their own end-of-year chemical demonstration.
The 6 teacher guides provide you with all the support you need to teach hands-on, guided inquiry lessons each day. Background information, step-by-step instructional strategies, and planning and preparation are spelled out, so you have everything you'll need for each day of the year. And you can be assured that you'll reach all learners because Living by Chemistry has differentiated instruction built into every lesson.
More students will learn and retain the rigorous chemistry content because Living by Chemistry is the product of years of research and classroom testing. The book was designed to be highly visual and accessible to students of all learning styles. The lessons in the student text correspond directly with the lessons provided in the teacher guides, so students can review and reflect the content and achieve mastery. You won't have to reteach topics because each lesson helps students make sense of the big ideas.
If you take a look at the table of contents, you'll see that the sequencing of topics in Living by Chemistry is presented in a way that optimizes student understanding. This sequence makes teaching more efficient because it better prepares students to tackle the more advanced topics. And because your students will gain a deeper, long-lasting understanding of the material, you won't have to spend time repeating and reteaching.
To help you reach all learners and to save you time at the board, all the worksheets, handouts, transparencies, and card masters that you'll need for each class are contained in the Teaching and Classroom Masters.
Your Assessment Resources book provides you with quizzes for each section, exams for each unit, end-of-semester exams, and lab practical exams. All assessments are provided in 2 different forms to help you manage your different classes, and all assessments use a variety of question types, including multiple choice, problem solving, and short answer.
The solutions to all exercises in the Student Edition can be found in the Solutions Manual.
And all of your teacher guides, Teaching and Classroom Masters, and other support materials can be downloaded from your online textbooks and teacher resources at Key Online. You'll have access to online information whenever you need it.
The online Student Edition of Living by Chemistry is also available to you and your students at no cost upon adoption. The online version includes all the content of your printed textbooks with additional features to enrich students' learning experience. Students can zoom in close to study visuals and use the search function to find specific topics. The interactive table of contents makes navigation easy. And students can click on key terms and math spotlights to go directly to these features in the back of the book.
You'll also have access to materials in the Living by Chemistry kits, card decks, transparencies, a chemistry board game, and other engaging tools will give students experiences on which they'll build their understanding of the content.